Today, we are going to learn about encapsulation in Java. Encapsulation is one of the fundamental principles of object-oriented programming. It is the technique of bundling data and methods together within a single unit. This single unit is usually a class. How encapsulation works? Encapsulation works by achieving two key concepts: data hiding and access methods. Let's understand the first concept, which is data hiding. Data hiding is achieved by using the private access modifier. When you declare class variables as private, these members are accessible only within the class where they are declared. This means that no external class can directly access or modify them. The second concept that we need to use is access methods, such as getters and setters. A public getter method allows you to access or read the value of a private field from outside the class. A public setter method lets you update or write a new value to a private field, often including validation. This controlled access allows you to enforce rules like validation when data is modified. Let's understand this by a code example. The field age is declared private, meaning it cannot be accessed directly from outside the class. Public methods getAge and setAge allow controlled access to these private variables. In the setter for age, there is a simple validation to ensure that only positive values are set. This design encapsulates the data by bundling it with the methods that manage it, ensuring that any changes to the value of age are regulated and validated. Benefits of encapsulation. By restricting access to internal data, encapsulation protects against unintended modifications. Encapsulation promotes a modular design. Each class acts as a self-contained unit with its own responsibilities. This makes it easier to organize your code, debug issues, and reuse classes in different parts of your application.